Dog care advice straight from the experts. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. When you have a dog, make sure that you give him enough water. Water should be made available to your dog at all times of the day, particularly in the summertime. Put his water bowl somewhere where no one will trip over it, otherwise you'll be cleaning your floors all day. Never lose your temper or punish your dog if you find that they did something wrong. Negative reinforcement will simply make your dog scared, which will make it difficult for you to train them. Use positive reinforcement at all times to get your dog to cooperate when teaching him new things. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he needs a dog house. Especially if your dog's feet get wet, exposure to very cold temperatures for long time periods can cause stress and other health issues. Protect your dog from wind and precipitation by giving him a shelter that has a dry floor and plenty of space. Make sure you have the correct dog supplies. Before bringing your dog home for the first time, be sure that you are equipped with the right supplies. Every dog needs a good-sized food and water bowl, a collar and leash, toys, and a comfy place to sleep. Also, remember to purchase an identification tag immediately. If you are considering owning a dog, keep in mind the size of your home when selecting the breed. Large dogs do not mix well with small apartments unless you have the ability to walk them frequently. They need exercise and room to roam. In this situation, a smaller barn might be the better choice. Keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy with regular brushing. Most canines don't mind you brushing their teeth, provided you introduce them to the process slowly and gently. Use a specially designed dog brush, along with other products made just for him. Remember to provide him with toys and biscuits that will also clean and protect his teeth. Respect your pet. When out on a walk, do not force your dog to interact with other people or animals if he does not want to. There is a reason why your dog may not want to get too close, and it is important that you listen to him. If you try and make him interact, your dog may begin to act out over time. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.